How to fix screen flickering randomly and glitching out issue in your iPhone device. If you're having this issue constantly, then to solve this video is for you. The first thing you need to do is force restart your device. To do force restart, you have to follow the 3 steps. The first step is to press the volume up, the second one is to press the volume down, and the last one is to keep pressing the side button until you see black screen. Once you do force restart, if your problem is still not solved, then you can try massaging the top of your screen. The other thing you need to do is you have to remove your screen protector. Once you follow all of this step, your issue might get solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.